this company right here, which is a NaturalSlim brand that we created from a dream back in 2008 here in the United States, just 13 years ago, $22 million in revenue in 2020. All right, so it's 2021, and there's many opportunities out there. I want to tell you a little bit about my own process that I've gone through over the last decade, because one of the greatest false pieces of information out there is that it really takes money to make money. And I want to show you that that's not the truth. No matter where you are at, whether you're starting, whether you're right smack in the middle of trying to get your business going, or whether you just have an idea, I want you to know that it's all about accumulating the intellectual property that's going to take you there. You have that property, you can succeed. You have that combined with hard work, with dedication, with passion, with energy. That's what it takes. Money comes to those people that have that thing going for them. All those things are the elements that are going to help you get yourself to a higher and higher level. AGM started with an idea, attention-grabbing media. I brought in 2 friends of mine that are family of mine, and I made them my partners. And then we actually created the organization. That was 2017, January 2017. I want to show you guys an inside look to AGM right now, right? This is the AGM offices right now that we're building. We started on a little room in 2017. Actually, we officially started on my kitchen. So it was even less than a room. I'm talking about 100% of fact. It was a little kitchen with 4 seats, and it was us 3 sitting down in that kitchen. And then we moved into a little room that was like this, maybe half this size, all right? And we actually got free rent because we had NaturalSlim and they let us work there. But then we have this space right here now, which we've been building over the last year and a half. And this is the future of AGM, and it's happening now. So I want to give you guys a quick walkthrough. We're going to have a lot of staff here. We're going to service a lot of people. You might have not heard that we have people like Damon John, the People's Chart, promoting our services and talking about us. We really mean it when we say we're going to conquer the world in 2021. And then check this out over here, guys. So over here you have the sales room. This one over here is a sales room, and we're gonna have people on the phones and on Zoom calls all the time. This is gonna be the operations room. We're gonna have people working on the accounts here. 24 seats. 24 seats are gonna be in this area. And this is also a big seminar area right here. Over here, guys, this is the studio. All right, this is where the magic happens. All right, over here, we're gonna be creating content for clients, for myself. We're gonna be doing webinars, seminars. That echo is gonna go away, all right? So we have this entire space over here is gonna have a green screen over there. It's gonna have a whiteboard over here, a podcast station over here, and it's gonna be like an amazing space over here, guys, for coming. I built this company with 0 advertising dollars, with 0 money. I just got good at it. In 2013, got some success with an Amazon brand. I started doing really well, and that led me to learn some more. Now, you might be saying, but yeah, Manuel, but that Amazon brand, you started with some money, right? Well, here's the fact. I did not. I invested $0 in my Amazon brand. You know what I did? I studied, and I spent hours on YouTube and Facebook and every single place that I could capturing information. In 2010, if you know my story, I went bankrupt and I lost everything, and I had to figure out what the heck to do to make myself survive and help my family survive. At some point in 2013, I was presented with an opportunity. I saw my partner at that time, who was not my partner yet. He was a friend of mine only, selling bed sheets on the road. And I said, why don't we just try to sell that online? It was consignment, and I started doing it. It cost me $0. He put the inventory, I put the intellectual property, and off we go, right? So I started doing that. I got a lot of success. I got my dad in front of a camera. He started getting a lot of attention, and his videos started getting a lot of attention, a lot of views. We started building our NaturalSlim business. AGM, attention-grabbing media, was created from the ground up with no capital, bootstrapped all the way through to where we're at today, which is an organization of 80 people with celebrities, with social media influencers, with all kinds of powerhouses, with great brands, e-commerce brands, service brands, all over the place. Why? It all starts with a dream, and then followed with a ton of acquiring of intellectual property, dedication, passion, hard work, and all these things put together can lead you towards being able to accomplish your dreams and goals. This company right here, which is a NaturalSlim brand that we created from a dream back in 2008 here in the United States, just 13 years ago, $22 million in revenue in 2020, just in 2020, just in the US, all right? And over here, we ship out inventory to across the United States. And this is our warehouse space over here, guys. All right, $22 million in revenue in 2020. Worldwide, probably around 45, because we do have NaturalSlim in 9 countries. There are all these packages being sent out across the USA from what we do here. What do we do? It's a lot, guys. You can follow me. You can learn what I do, agmninjalab.com, whatever. Ask me questions. Send me a text message, 813-212-2196. And I'll tell you a little bit more about how I'm doing what I'm doing and what's going on over here, right, guys? Talk to you soon.